is I do want to show you what I mentioned to you the other day about uninstalling a Windows update. And let me show you how to do that. All right. All right, here we go. This is what we're going to do. We're going to type Windows update. Fat fingers on the word. Windows update settings. Bam. All right. You want to see what installed. Your GPUs aren't working. AMD having issues. Let's see if Windows did an update. You click on view update history. Here you can uninstall updates. You can recover or go back to a previous time, a backup that you made, or restore point. And here's your update history to see when was something installed recently. As you see, it has some driver updates installed on 3.10. I did that because after Windows did its thing, I did that. All right. So this is where all the driver information is. And if you find something that didn't work right for you, all of a sudden you click uninstall updates, choose the update that has the issue, and you uninstall it. For the mining purposes for AMD, you look for your AMD graphics cards updates like this one. It'll look something similar with a different version and a different date than the one you installed. You can uninstall it. All right. The next one I'm going to show you is how to turn off Windows from updating your drivers. All right, here we go. Go to the search bar down here. Devices. Oh, excuse me. Windows 10 control panel. Open that up. You're going to click on view devices and printers. All right, click on it. Bam. You're here. Right click on your PC. Go to device installation settings. Do you want to automatically download manufacturers' apps and custom icons available for your devices? Heck, nah. Click on new for the mining rig. New. So once you click on no, hit save changes. And I believe it asks you to reboot. I'm not sure. But if you don't have to reboot, good. If you do, you just got to. All right. Save changes. Done. And that's how you stop Windows from updating your PC, at least the drivers. What else? That's it. That's all I got. That's all I got. But then again, last thing I have for you, subscribe, like, talk to me. Have any questions, find a better way, let me know. But that's for Windows 10. By the way, there's another way to do it, Windows 7. Pretty much the same thing, devices and printers. Click on your PC, installation options, click no, apply, save, done. All right, that's it. With all that said, Pierre Glad, Crypto Pocket, Crypto Pocketers. If you didn't look at Crypto Pockets before, or you're thinking about getting into crypto, join me in the discussion. Comment below. You can keep the bad comments to yourself. If that's the case, just get the hell on. No offense. And I'll show you everything that I know and other people know. We'll try it together. We'll learn. I'll show you the good and the bad. We'll get there. Either way, thanks for joining. Thanks for checking me out. Next time.